What is up, everybody? Back with another pair of super low heat here. So if you happen to be tuning into this video, I'm going to reward you with a little bonus unboxing right now to start us off. This is a very popular item as of these recent years. It's also been a popular item for I don't know, almost a century. It is. What am I talking about here? I'm talking about the Carhartt Active Work Jacket. But this one is not just from Carhartt, it is from the Carhartt Work in Progress, which is really I think a European manufacturer that licenses the Carhartt name and brand. If I have that right. Threw in some stickers, which is dope. I also got a pair of gloves, fingerless gloves. These were on sale on the website, so I picked these up on sale. I was just in New York recently. I live in Southern California, so very little need for these, but these are always great walking through cities. You're not doing any real activities, but to thumbprint your phone or swipe on your phone, it's really good. You put these in your pockets or in your jacket pockets, and then when you have to handle credit cards, your cell phone, etc., you have the fingies loose. So I picked these up. Again, they're on sale. I forget how much they were, but they were affordable since I got them on sale. So yeah, those are cool. Those are dope. And here is the jacket. I have been wanting this for a minute. And that's how you know it's not an impulse buy. I literally thought about this every other day for 4 months straight, and finally I pulled the trigger. There's actually a Carhartt Work in Progress store here in Los Angeles, and that's where I recommend any large ticket item. You should really just try it on, make sure it looks good. I think this was $300, I think. Something like that. You should make sure, if it's anything over 100, you should make sure it looks good on you, that you really, really like it. Also, if you buy it from a store, it'll kind of, have a little bit more meaning. You'll remember when you went down and got it than just purchasing this online. Now, I did purchase this online, as you see. I got it in a box, but I went to the store on La Brea, tried on. I think they had a blue color, made sure the fit was great in XL, and it looked sick. I really wanted this tan color though, and they didn't have it in the store. I was also able to check with the staff, see if these ever go on sale, because Work in Progress always has a seasonal sale, and they're like, no, this is one of the items that never goes on sale. I don't know. I guess never is a strong word, but they're like, yeah, this never goes on sale. So I felt more comfortable buying it full price, because I waited and waited months and months and months, seeing if it would ever go on sale. We were getting, a little past winter. We're definitely still in the cold months, but where brands start putting winter stuff on sale to clear room for the spring and summer stuff. And this was not going on sale, so I got confirmation from the staff there that this is just such a popular item, it doesn't ever go on sale. Now, I'm not going to edit together some fit pics wearing this. Just truth be told, it looks sick. I love it. When I put on the blue one, it looked dope. Carhartt, a workwear brand, and then Work in Progress, kind of their high fashion brand version of it. I think Vans is doing something similar now, where their off the wall line is kind of essentially copying the Carhartt Work in Progress model, and it'll be more fashion centric, higher end collabs, I think, and quality maybe. I mean, Carhartt's notorious for it is not notorious, but is well known for its quality for price. This should have the same quality, maybe a little better here and there, but just much more expensive. So I also feel like I can wear this. It's funny that now at late in life, I own a handful of Carhartt pieces, because growing up where I came from in the North Midwest, this is just what everyone wore, unironically. A lot of farmers, a lot of blue collar workers, a lot of kids in school, they just wore Carhartt, and I always wanted to be different, stand out from them. So I would never have worn something like this growing up there. And now out here, I feel like, this being fashionable, it's just a bunch of posers who've never done manual labor in their life. Not that I've done manual labor for pay that much, but, I come from this area where people use this. And so I feel like I get the pass on wearing this, My grandfather was a farmer, so I feel like I'm entitled to wear this and it's okay. And so it's funny. I wear this out here. And then when I go back and visit home, I'm probably not going to bring this because I'll look like every other person at the Fleet Farm. So just the way life is, kind of funny like that. Same thing with like camo. Like I never wore camo growing up, even though I hunted, just because like that's what everyone would wear at the gas station, you know? You just find people wearing camo, and I just didn't want to look like every local redneck. But now out here, camo's like, well, at least it's kind of fallen a little bit out of fashion, but it is had its moment, and it still tends to be a little trendy. And you know, it's like you see hipsters wearing, you're like, what the hell are they doing wearing camo? You don't go hunting, you weren't in the military. But I feel like I get the pass because, you know, I used to actually hunt. It's so funny because I never wore camo growing up, nor would I. And then like same, if I go back home, I'm not, all my camo t-shirts and sweatshirts are staying in the closet. I'm not wearing any of that stuff back to where I'm from again, because I would just be another local there. So we got to remain fancy. That is the motto. That is the mantra. All right. So what do we got in here? You already know what it is from the fingernail, the thumbnail and the title. I got these off of Dover Street Market on sale. I've really been trying to cut back on the Lowheat stuff, shoes overall, clothes overall, but these I had to have them and the price was right. Absolutely had to have them. Didn't have anything like this, so you know. All right, this will be my third pair of Asics. What Asics are these? These are the Asics gel-sonoma 1550 MT. I assume that sounds for mountain. Retails for $140. I got them half off, essentially. $70 plus some tax. I think it was free shipping. So it was like $76. Not bad. Size 12 in cream and sand. And just from the pictures alone, I was going through Dover Street's sale and I came across these and I like couldn't resist. These, like, they kind of look like desert combat boots, right? Desert combat boots. I just saw Dune 2 and like I might have to go as a Fremen or Timothy Chalamet for Halloween, and these will be what I am wearing for the footwear probably. Look at that. It's like perfect. Yeah, $70. I could not resist. These are obviously meant for trail hiking shoes, kind of your casual. And these days they cross over into casual wear, of course, but I'll be mainly wearing these outdoors. I mean, and when I say outdoors, you know what I mean. Hiking, etc. And they are for like being a mid top ankle, like almost boot-like trail runner. They're pretty light, very light. Like the outsole sturdy, but it's not so heavy that it's causing the whole shoe to be heavy. The upper, very lightweight. It's not covered completely in leather. You see there's this like ripstop grid material right there. Some synthetic structuring over the upper. Just hits of suede here and there. Very furry suede. All kind of a synthetic protective. There's a spray coat of some polymer there on the toe cap. The mudguard does seem to be leather, some tumbled leather here. And then, yeah, on there it's reinforced with this spray to protect the toe area. If you know from hiking, that's crucial. And he's got double laces here. Interesting. Double corded tube laces. Cylindrical laces in that gray and brown sand color. These are really dope. Now I have, what do I have? I'm always looking for new outdoor trail running shoes, trail shoes. What do I have? I have a pair of Hokas that are monsters, that are good for like all day hiking. I have a pair of like, your high top brown, I think they might be Merrells. I'm not sure what they are, but they're like leather, overall leather. I have some trail runners, some various Solomon XT6s models. I have a couple Solomons, and I just picked up, check it on the channel, the undefeated Nike Air Terra Humaras. Those are for light trail work. They're more casual shoes, but I have a variety of shoes for wearing outdoors, and these will definitely primarily be used for that. What's nice is you could wear these casually. Like if you're going somewhere and you know, like outdoors walking, hiking will be on the agenda. These can double, you know, this can be one of your pairs, more rugged pairs. And then you can bring something else. Let's take a look at the inside of it. Now, I don't think these were not, I don't think advertised as waterproof. There's no Gore-Tex in it. I'm sure it will be water resistant around the bottom there. But like if heavy water, or if the water goes above this line, this mud guard line with the leather, you're probably getting wet. I think this is just scratch resistant ripstop type material. It's not, you know, it's not advertised as Cordura, but that's the material. I'm sure that these will get wet though, if it's pouring rain. Some nice padding, really soft there. Reinforced heel, but also kind of exposed. This like exposed mesh here with rubberized over parts of it. But they do look pretty breathable with this this system here. Let's take a look at the outsole really quick. Got some good tread, a little bit, not so much contrasting grip for like gripping up and down, but you do have deep grooves here, deep parallel grooves. This should, here you got some like hook action on the outside of the shoe. Oh, that's they kind of go in opposite directions, the inside of the foot and the outside of the foot, so that's kind of interesting. But yeah, that is the outsole. Here's the midsole right there, and the insole is Ortholite insoles. There's a peek inside. Quick, one thing I forgot to mention is that there's the little straps right here, so you could I don't know, theoretically like clip something to them if you wanted. And then also I incorrectly named the jacket at the beginning. I'm sure people noticed that, but this is just straight up an active jacket, the OG active jacket in dusty brown, aged canvas. The Detroit jacket, that's different classic iconic Carhartt jacket. But there you go. Put these on foot. If you want me to do a wear review of these, please let me know in the comments, likes, etc. If I get enough of them, I might do that. If I get enough comments, etc., I might do a quick YouTube short or Instagram reel. Plug for the Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe here before I try these on. I might do a quick try on of that jacket for you all to see. But here, this is the most recent pair of Asics I got. These COS collab Asics, these were dope. You can find these sitting on shelves. Like these are at Kith, these are at a handful of places. Great shoe, very wearable. Goes with any earth tones type outfit, which are very popular right now, I feel. Basically anything you grab from Uniqlo, these will go with it. Dark navy hits. Watch my unboxing of that also while you're at it. All right, I should have wore some like higher socks because that's typically what I wear hiking. I usually wear high socks. I didn't for these, so this will not be the look in general with these. I'll usually have socks that go up to here, some wigwam hiking socks. Very comfortable on initial slip inside the foot. Usually when I don't know a size of a shoe or a model of a shoe, I go half size up just to be safe, and I find that usually works for me. There's very, very not often. It doesn't happen often where I go half size up and I'm like, damn, these are way too big. Usually they might be a little loose, but it's not like uncomfortably loose. And same with these. This is nice. I won't have to break these in at all. Very roomy without being too room. I think my toe can feel the end, and I'm not even standing up. But plenty of wiggle room for the toesies. Feels very cushiony on the inside, on the upper. I don't know how these will be. I'm guessing with the amount of like cushioning, these will be good up to like 6 miles hiking. 6, 7, 8 miles. If you're going over 8 miles in a day, I like using those ones that I got, the big Hoka GTX Stormtrooper boots that I got. But yeah, these, I couldn't resist these in the photos. I would say though, the 99% of the time photos shoes in hand look better than photos. This is one of the rare instances that where I do feel like these aren't better in hand per se. They're just as good as advertised in the photos. I don't think they're worse, but just a lot of times you get a shoe in hand and it's like, damn, these are better in hand. And it comes like, it becomes a very recycled, tired statement, but it is true most of the time. I would say with these, I'm not more impressed having them in hand than I was the photos. The photos got me to buy them, and then the look, as far as looks goes, and they are just as, they're not better than the photos. Now feel though, I am pleasantly surprised because you got to, 140 for retail, get these 70 on sale. Like I was a little worried about like quality, fit, comfortability, and like so far this is exactly what I wanted. Lightweight trail shoe. Will give some ankle support because they're like mid tops. Will give a little bit of ankle support. Lightweight, looks durable. Didn't cost me an arm and a leg. Because they're already cream and sand color, doesn't matter getting them dirty. They'll stay basically this color. So super stoked with my purchase, my pickup. Now, I don't like clashing brands too much, and I do have some Nike ACG hiking gear, but that's okay. I'll get over it. Pair this with that if I need to. That's the one thing I'm thinking of. The fit picks, having the Asics go with the Nike ACG shorts. Oh, no. That's not that big a deal. Yeah, it's not like these are Adidas hiking shoes. I feel like you can wear Nike apparel with non-Adidas shoes most of the time. Non-Nike, non-Adidas shoes, I should say. Yeah, these are really, tongue's not too stiff, so it won't cut in. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a wear review. I'm curious of how well these will stay tied. Might have to do some different knotting system on these, where you pull through and then do another wrap around in a loop. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let's give these a rating. I think, these are really performance rating. Like a lot of the lifestyle shoes that I get, casual shoes, it's really about the aesthetics for the most part, the out of the box rating. These I can give an initial like aesthetic rating, but obviously if you're checking this unboxing out, you're here probably more for the performance and initial fit review. So this isn't a wear review. So just my initial aesthetic opinion and how they fit and how they look on foot. I'm going to give these 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Yeah. So thanks for watching. More unboxings coming up. Please subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.